I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pace Pro on your Garmin Forerunner 55. First, navigate to the Pace Pro feature from your watch's main menu. This powerful tool helps you maintain a consistent pace throughout your run, whether it's a training session or a race. It provides dynamic, real-time guidance, ensuring you hit your target splits and achieve your desired finish time. It's designed to make your pacing strategy effortless and effective. To set up your Pace Pro strategy, begin by selecting your desired race distance, perhaps a 5-kilometer or a 10-kilometer event, and your target finish time. Next, choose a pacing strategy that suits your goals, such as an even pace, a negative split, or a positive split. You can also account for elevation changes on your course, allowing Pace Pro to adjust your target pace for uphill and downhill sections, ensuring a realistic and achievable plan. During your run, your Forerunner 55 will display your target pace for the current segment, along with your actual pace. This real-time feedback is crucial for staying on track. If you're running too fast or too slow, the watch will provide clear alerts, helping you make immediate adjustments. For example, it might suggest slowing down by 5 seconds per kilometer or speeding up by 10 seconds per mile, keeping you perfectly aligned with your plan. After completing your activity, review your Pace Pro performance directly on your watch or through the Garmin Connect app. You'll see detailed insights into how well you adhered to your pacing strategy, highlighting any deviations. This post-run analysis is invaluable for understanding your strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to refine your approach for future runs. Use these insights to continuously improve your pacing and achieve new personal bests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.